Hello everyone, today we're going to go over 6th grade lesson 1. So, number 1, for every 3 women at the local store, there are 2 men. What are the possible number of women and men in the store? So, the ratio to women and men would be 3 to 2. We can guess and check here. So, the first option is 9 women and 4 men. We can get this by multiplying 3 here, which means we would multiply 3 here. That would give us 9 to 6, which means A cannot work. And since there would be 3 women for every 2 men, that would mean that there would be more women than men, right? So this wouldn't work either. This wouldn't work either, and our answer would be C because 9 to 6 men. 9 women to 6 men. Number 2, there are 16 boys and girls in this class. What is the ratio of girls to boys? But we'll change that to class, since boys to girls would be 1 to 1, which is not an option. So we have 16 boys and 16 girls, right? In total, we would have 32 students in the class, so which would give us 16 girls to 32 in total, because girls to class, so 16 to 32. This can be simplified by dividing 16 on both sides, which would give us 1 to 2. So B would be the answer. Number 3, there were 12 rainy days in the month of April. What was the ratio of rainy days to clear days in April? So in the month of April, there are 30 days, and in order to find the number of clear days, we would have to subtract the 12 rainy days from the total number of days in April. So minus 12, which is 18. So the ratio from rainy days to clear days would be 12 to 18, which can be simplified by dividing 6 on both sides. That gives us 2 to 3, so C would be our answer. Okay, number 4, Tyler collects stamps. He has 8 stamps from the XIX century and 12 stamps from the XX century. What is the ratio of stamps from the XIX century to all stamps in Tyler's collections? So in order to find the number, like the total number of stamps in Tyler's collection, we would have to add 8 to 12, right? Which would be 20 stamps in total. And we have to find the ratio of stamps from the XIX century to all stamps in Tyler's collection. So XIX, there's 8, so it would be 8 to 20. This can be simplified. No, let's divide it by 4 instead. Then divide it by 4. That would give us 2 to 5. It can also, this can be written as 2. Doesn't have to be that symbol, so 2 to 5. So D would be the correct answer. Okay. Number 5, Samantha found bottles of water and soda in the basement. The ratio of bottles of water to all bottles is 1 to 3. What is the possible number of bottles of water and soda in the basement? So this is the ratio, but this is the ratio of bottles of water to all bottles. So 1 would be the bottles of water, and then 3 would be all bottles. In order to find the soda, then, we would do 3 minus 1 is 2. So 1 to 2 would have to be the ratio. So then that would mean that the number of bottles of water should be half of the number of bottles of soda, right? So this would not work. This would also not work. This wouldn't work, and C would be the answer. We can get this by multiplying 10 on both sides, giving us 10 to 20. Okay, and number 6, Michael is 4 feet tall and his father is 6 feet tall. What is the ratio of Michael's height to his father's height? So Michael is 4 feet tall, his father is 6 feet tall. We can simplify this by dividing 2 on both sides. Remember, if we divide 2 here, we have to divide 2 here too. So it would be 2 to 3. So A would be the answer. And we're done.